Welcome to our English fluency session. Today, we are mastering teamwork English, sharing ideas in a meeting. We're using our double loop method. Here is how it works. First, I will say the sentence. Second, my friend repeats it slowly. Third, I will say it again at normal speed. Finally, my friend says the whole thing naturally. It's the fastest way to sound like a pro. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps the channel. Are you ready? Let's get this meeting started. Let's dive into our crazy ideas.
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 That idea is a total game changer.
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 I'm totally vibing with your plan.
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 Can we circle back to that?
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 Let's think outside the box today.
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 I love where you're going here.
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 What if we try something new?
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 That's a brilliant way to start.
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 Let's jump on that idea quickly.
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 You hit the nail on the head.
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 I am all ears for this.
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 Let's run with that idea.
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 That is music to my ears.
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 We are on the same page.
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 Let's spice things up a bit.
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 That's a total win-win situation.
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 You're on fire today, buddy.
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 Let's make some magic happen.
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 I love your energy right now.
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 That is a great starting point.
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 Let's touch base on that later.
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 That is a really solid point.
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 I am feeling that vibe today.
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 Let's put our heads together now.
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 Can you elaborate on that more?
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 That is a home run idea.
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 Keep those great ideas coming.
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 Thank you to all. Keep practicing and keep smiling. See you in next video.